Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Toyota Yaris steering wheel. This common safety feature engages when your vehicle is off and the key is removed, preventing the wheels from turning. To begin, insert your key completely into the ignition. Then, gently attempt to turn the key to the on position while simultaneously wiggling the steering wheel back and forth with moderate pressure. This action helps disengage the internal locking mechanism. It's crucial to use the correct key, as a worn or incorrect key can complicate the process. Never force the key, as this could damage the ignition cylinder or the key itself, leading to more significant issues. If your primary key appears worn, try using a spare key. Also, quickly check the ignition slot for any small obstructions that might be preventing the key from fully engaging. If the initial attempts don't work, you might need to apply a bit more firm, consistent pressure to the steering wheel while turning the key. Rock the wheel vigorously from side to side. You should feel a slight give and hear a distinct click when the lock disengages. If it doesn't unlock immediately, repeat the process of turning the key and wiggling the wheel a few times. Patience is key here. To prevent your steering wheel from locking in the future, always try to park with your wheels as straight as possible. Avoid turning the steering wheel after you've removed the key from the ignition, as this is a common way to engage the lock. Also, ensure your vehicle is fully in park or neutral before turning off the engine. Regular maintenance of your ignition system and keys can also help ensure smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.